years I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose.
Hey, what's up guys? Brian here in the field. We got the Flerken. We're gonna take it out for a little quick test, not a real Maiden, just a quick test before I paint it, guys. Before it get dark, guys, I just really don't want to waste the paint, guys. Already flying nice, guys. No trim added, no nothing. A little bit of bright instead of perfect, guys. I'm gonna bring her right down, guys, so I can go home and paint her, guys. Haha. Like I said, it was quick. Smooth, guys. Smooth. Now let's go home and let's go paint her, guys. Hey, what's up, guys? We're out here in a new park, guys. I had to find a new park because every park I went to was packed today, guys. But we have the FT Flerken, guys. Look how it came out, guys. Look how it looks outside. Wow, smoke gray, guys. Tried my best doing it by myself with just the spray paint can, guys. That's it. But it's pretty good, guys. We're running the C-Pack motor down from 5 o'clock. It's a little windy. I have a 1500 milliamp battery 4S, and for extra weight, guys, since this needs a lot more weight, I have a 2200 milliamp battery as well in there, guys, but it's not connected. So right now we're running 4S. Let's get to it, guys. I'm worried about this plane, guys, is I don't want to dive it too hard, like, well, not too far, not too fast, guys, because there's a lot of flex in the wind. I guess I didn't have enough, well, I did not have enough glue, guys, the brakes, the weight. The wind is coming towards our right. Guys, 30% expo, no gyro, goes into the wind, full throttle. Wow. flies amazing, guys. It's a little windy, guys, so you can see it's still moving a little bit. Vertical is amazing, guys. Let's let it glide. See that glide slope, guys. Wow. About 15% throttle right now. Guys, so I'm gonna cut this video a little short. This little maiden, guys. Before I painted her, guys, I flew her. I only did 2 clicks of brake trim, guys. And this is how she's flying. Such an amazing plane, guys. Even in the wind, guys, I still really can control it real good, guys. Goes into the wind. Look at that climb rate, guys. That's no throttle right now, guys. I'm just moving around a little bit. Now it is. Alright, guys, I'm gonna bring it down. I'm really cold. Let's see. That was a really good maiden, guys. That was a hard landing, guys. It's alright though. We made it happen though, guys. It flies. I mean, what else can we ask for, guys? Besides adding some landing gear. But I think we're gonna have to basically change the motor, guys, and going to make it an EDF version, guys. Just nice and sleek in the bottom. Hey, what's up, guys? We're back in the man cave, guys, and we have it. Here we are, guys. Here we are. I fell in love, guys. I really fell in love. The way it looks, the way it flies, guys. Every single little detail about this aircraft, guys, I fell in love with. Literally. Everything, guys. There's literally not one thing that I would change about this plane besides making it an EDF version, guys. That's literally all I would probably do, guys. Let's see how it looks right in the middle, guys. Oh, nice, guys. Nice. I love this, guys. I love the amount of detail. Even though it's slightly, just a little bit, guys, I still love the amount of detail that they put into this aircraft, guys. As you can see, this is like, reminds me of a turtle or something. Know what I mean, guys? So, if you guys are wondering, let me see if you guys can see the decal right there. That's the little decal that we have on that wing. For some of you guys that are wondering, we got the flight test sticker right there, guys. And then we have the checker stripe at the bottom. So like I said before, guys, we have the CPAC motor 945. I was running I probably still got it in there, guys. I only took the 2200 out. Yeah, I was running my 1500 milliamp battery, guys, 4S, guys. And that was mounted on the top. And I had literally this 2200 right here at the bottom as well. So I have a strap right there, guys, as you can see. But, guys, literally fell in love, guys. There's nothing wrong with this plane. Honestly, let me see. There's nothing wrong. The only thing that I suggest you guys to be careful when building this plane, if you guys ever decide to build this in the future, is you got to be careful where you put the tape at, because, all right here, I let the tape overlap a little bit over on this side, so I need to add a little bit of extra glue, as you can see right there. I don't know if you can see. Just a little bit of glue right there, guys. And it's the same thing. It was for, which wing was it? It was for this wing, guys. I had to add a little extra glue on this side because the tape on this side was giving it a hard time to stick, guys. Even though I sanded that down as well. It caught the color really good, but not the glue, guys. Glue and tape does not go with. Like, it literally does not go together, guys. So that's literally what we got, guys. Oh, and as you can see as well, I did not put the wooden piece right here, guys, the little make it pop. Honestly, it's a good little feature, but I really did not feel like cutting it, guys. I did not feel like cutting it. That's the only reason. And this literally does perfectly fine, guys. It does not fall off, guys. Now, the only thing I have to do is I have to wait till my little camera, guys, for my FPV goggles come, guys, so that way I can run FPV on this setup. So far, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the run cam right here on the top, guys. But I have to reposition everything because, like I said before, my 1500 milliamp battery was on the top. So, and it looks like I'm not going to have enough space in the bottom to mount the run cam, guys, unless I cut this hole a little bit bigger, which I really don't want to do. I'm just going to leave this in for the regular camera, guys, for when I fly FPV. And that's it, guys. I feel really amazed, guys, on how I painted it as well. I did a pretty good job. I feel like, guys, it was not too much and not too little, guys. I wanted to make it a type smooth gray, and it came out, guys. It honestly came out perfect, guys. Now flying, I'm gonna have to put the rates at all the way 100, guys, because it feels just a little slightly, not too much. Like, I feel like I need a little bit more rates, guys. And I got all my travels is set to 125 all the way around. And so far, when I had it on high rates, guys, I was running 90% all the way around with 30% expo. And that still made me feel like I didn't have enough. More so going up and down on the Elevon, guys. That was basically what I didn't have, what I felt like I was missing. The roll, guys, was really good, guys. That was perfect. It was honestly perfect. Other than that, guys, just going up and down, guys, was just a little slow. I feel like I needed just a little bit more touch on that control, guys. But that was it, guys. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment down below, guys, and I will definitely get back to you. And if you got any recommendations on how should I stuff an EDF system in here, guys, or what size should I go with? Should I keep this the same size, guys? 914 millimeters, guys. This plane is. So I can resize this down just a little bit, maybe about half the size, guys. And I could try to stuff a 77, or I could just keep it this size, guys, and just keep this open back here and just stuff the 77 in there, guys. Honestly, I don't know. This is not my normal thrill, guys. It has the foam length thrill, guys. So don't be worried, guys. If you've seen it fly, guys, it was amazing. But other than that, guys, that's it for this video, guys. I honestly don't have no negative comments. Everything was positive about this plane. Oh, one thing. be careful as well. Let me see if I could demonstrate this in the camera. I got a little bit of flex, guys. Just be careful with the amount of flex you let your wings have, guys. You do not want that snapping, especially if you're running 4S in a big motor, guys. It's gonna break in the air, I promise you guys. But I'm going to wrap it up, guys. That was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, guys. Let me know down in the comment below, what would you guys like to see next? I actually have another plane which is not from Flight Test, guys. It's a really weird plane. It's from Europe, actually. I think it's from Europe. But is a type of style of wing as well. So I can't wait to bring that into the channel. But if you guys have anything in mind that you specifically want me to build, guys, please feel free to leave a comment down below, and we'll definitely do so, guys. With that being said, guys, that about wraps it up for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the thumbs up, guys, if you like this content, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.